Hello everyone, welcome to Satya News. Now we are here with the second part of areas. First of all, I will say about transformation basics. Which are nothing but the curves of the structures. First one, circle. What is the equation for circle? For circle, the equation should be in the form of x square plus y square equals to a square, where a is the radius. Okay? And the curve will be like this. X axis, y axis. Next is parabola. There are four types of parabola. First one is y square equals to 4ax, where the parabola looks like this. And there is a symmetry about x axis, and here there is a symmetry about both axes. And the next one is y square equals to minus 4ax, which is same reverse as y square equals to 4x. The graph is, this is also symmetry with x axis. Next parabola is x square equals to 4ay, and which curve is this. These all intersect at 0 or origin. The next is x square equals to minus 4ay. All x square curves are symmetry with y axis. Next is ellipse. Ellipse curve will be in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. And the graph is where a is the major axis and b is the minor axis. This is a and this is b. And the last one is hyperbola. And the curve is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. There is a small difference between ellipse and hyperbola in the equation, where just plus and minus are there. And the curve is, and same as here, a and b are major axis and minor axis respectively. There exists two focus in ellipse, two focus in hyperbola, and one focus in all parabolas. By this we are done with the concept, and let's discuss some problems. First problem. Find the area between the curves y is equals to e power x and x equals to 2 and x equals to 4. See, as you all know that the curve of y equals to e power x is like this, and this is 0 comma 1. As if we keep e power 0, then we get y equals to 1, and they asked that x equals to 2. Let us assume this is 2 comma 0 and this is 4 comma 0. We have to find this area, right? Now, as usual, we take, what are the limits from -2 to 4? 2 to 4, and the curve is e power x into dx, which is nothing but, what is the integration of e power x? It is e power x only. E power x from limits 0 to 4. So the answer is e power 4 minus e square. Easy, right? Now the second problem is, find the area between the vertices 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 2, 4 comma 5 and 6 comma 2. Okay, we can do this in two ways. If we plot this, we get 2 comma minus 2 means a point here. This is 2 comma 0. This is 0 comma minus 2 and 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Let us assume here 4 comma 5 and then 6 comma 2. 6 comma 2. Here we get 6 comma 2. If you join them, this is the area we get. And we have to find this area. By easy method we can solve it, which is if any 3 vertices are given as a1 b1, a2 b2, a3 b3, a formula is there which is half of a1 b1 into 1, a1 b1 1, a2 b2 1, a3 b3 1. We have to do the matrix, and this is the formula for area of triangle. So if we apply it here, we get the answer half into 2 minus 2 1, 4 5 1, 6 2 1. Half into 5 minus 2 plus 2 into 4 minus 6 plus 8 minus 30. Half into 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 to the 6, minus 2 to the 4, and here we get mod, as sometimes it may be negative also. 30 minus 8 is 22, which is minus 22. Half of, what do we get? 22 plus 4 minus 6 is minus 20, and the final answer is 10. See, half of 20 is 10 and our final answer is 10. Hope you got it. And the next problem is find the area between x square plus y square equals to 1 and mod x plus mod y is equals to 1. See here. As I said, the transformation basics, x square plus y square equals to 1 is a circle with radius 1, and here see this, mod x plus mod y is equals to 1. Here there exist 4 lines, sorry, greater than or equal to 1. Here exist 4 lines. One is x plus y equals to 1, x minus y equals to 1, minus x plus y equals to 1, the last is minus x minus y equals to 1. These are the 4 lines, and let's see in the graphical manner. See here, this is the circle with radius 1, this is 1 comma 0, and here 0 comma 1. And if you see here x plus y equals to 1, the graph will be in this manner. And x minus y equals to 1 is this, and minus x minus y is this, and x plus y is this. See here, you can see that there is a square formed in the circle, and they asked you to find the area. This is the area they asked you to find. See here, these all are symmetric. And if you find this part and multiply it by 4, we get the final answer. This is an easy trick. And see here, this is a triangle, right? This is a triangle with 1 and 1, height 1 and base 1. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half base into height, half 1 into 1. So the area of triangle is half. Its area is half. And see here, this is the quarter part of circle. What is area of circle? It's pi r square. And if we want to take the quarter part, we have to divide by 4. So pi into, what is r1? 1 square by 4. Pi by 4 is our area of this. And we have to do pi by 4 minus 1 by 2, so that we can get this area. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is the area of only this 1 by 4 part of circle. And if you want the whole part of circle, we have to multiply it by 4. 4 into pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. We get pi minus 2. This is our area of the curve that we required. If you observe here, we did not use any integration. So sometimes they ask these kind of easy questions which will not involve integration at all. Just you have to apply some basic common sense or concept. By this, we are done with the areas, and next I am going to say trigonometry. As a comment came in the comment box. That's it for today. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe our channel Satya News.